timid. Look, wait. I got people trying to wish and pray that I'ma fall about it. All about it till we spoke in person. Don't wanna talk about it now, huh? Oh, you sound tough. Toying with them, don't get wound up. How you wound up? Another number in the round up. Put the town up. I built this thing up from the ground up. If I bounce up, I get my crown stuck. Like go, got the east side flow. I'm a giant in the space like FIFA4. All the kids sing along like EIO. Every time when they see my show, thinking that it happened overnight. Didn't. In it for the long haul flight. Committed.
For our next stars, let's go party! Woo! Hello! Let's go! Sabi ng marami swim nila, magkaabot ka ng tae. Sabi na ilahin ng bilang na sila naman patay. Sabi ka! Buti hubay, hindi sa husay, libre sa gay. Lahat ng pangarap nating nilakad, huwag kalimutan ang aking pangalan. Maraming salamat po. Sana malungkot kayo. Kasi siyempre malungkot yung kanta namin. Importante na. Sana malungkot kayo. Dapat malungkot din kayo. Then, sana with all the songs na pinerform namin, na-enjoy nyo. And I know some of you hindi pa familiar kasi yung mga songs po na pinerform.
Ang nasa isip ko niyan, SB19 yung
Tinuturo ko sa'yo. One more.
Sige na. Sakay ka na doon.
Tara, Karo.
Picture only.
Supporters natin ng 4 on Swings, magingay!
Malalim ha.
First of all, grabe yung comeback nila. Sino din yung mga pumunta sa 4 on Swings na Tacomo Arena? Yes, marami.
Babalik sila.
Okay. Siyempre, papaano?
Nathan.
Tayo
Oh, last Nathan. Nathan.
Think sila first and then yun.
Mundo ng 4 on Swings.
Thank you. Ako na.
Sabi niyo pa, ikaw yung 4 on Swings. Sino ang bias niyo sa amin?
Go!